Hey, we're Dan and Ryan from BroBuilds, and here are 12 simple home improvements you can do to increase the value of your home.
And to get the best possible return on your investment.
Number 1, pressure washing.
Cleaning the outside of your home and your driveway can make it look like new and give potential buyers a great first impression.
Plus, you can do it yourself in just a few hours. Number 2, replace your mailbox. If your mailbox looks weathered and worn, replacing it is an easy way to spruce up your curb appeal. Consider adding crisp white house numbers on the side, or adding new house numbers to a well-lit exterior wall of your home.
Number 3, purchase smart home upgrades. Installing a Nest thermostat and doorbell means that your buyers won't have to. Smart home upgrades like these can get buyers excited about living in the home, which can lead to higher offers.
Number 4, renovate or add extra storage to your closets. Install new shelves, paint if necessary, and organize your closets to give potential buyers an impression of space and functionality.
Number 5, update your garage door. These simple magnetic decals will make your garage doors look expensive and new. While you're at it, place a potted plant on either side to green up your exterior.
Number 6, up your curb appeal with simple landscaping. Plant new flowers or shrubs in front of your home and remove old dead ones if necessary, then lay down fresh bark dust. Improving curb appeal can add significantly to the value of your home and will help your home sell faster too.
Number 7, and this is a big one, refresh your bathrooms. This can be as simple as replacing an old vanity or fixtures. In many cases, upgrades in the bathroom will give you a greater return for your money compared to a full gut job and remodel.
Number 8, add an outdoor living or eating space. With a simple paver patio or fire pit kit, you can transform a plain backyard into an oasis. This circular paver patio and fire pit is an excellent example of what a few days' work can accomplish. Don't forget to add chairs and lighting to complete the scene.
Number 9, paint those old tired walls. Choose neutral colors that any buyer can imagine living in. A light gray is my personal favorite, but warm beige, tan, or grayish are all good choices. Fresh paint can increase the value of your home by 1 to 3%.
And it's an easy DIY fix that anyone can do. Number 10, update your kitchen cabinets. If you have old wooden cabinets, sanding and repainting the doors and frames and adding new cabinet pulls can be a cheap and effective way to update your kitchen. Stick with light, neutral colors like white or gray that will appeal to most buyers.
Number 11, install an outdoor water feature.
Oh, those are nice.
It doesn't matter if the water feature is small or large, the sound of softly running water is soothing and creates a peaceful ambiance in your backyard. Many water features require no specialized skills to install. Just set it up in your yard, add water, and plug it in.
And number 12, add a porch swing.
That's one of the first things I did in my own house.
If you've got the space, there's nothing cozier than a traditional white swing on your patio. And like all these other upgrades, it'll help make your home that much more appealing to buyers.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Number 7, girls, close the doors. I can hear it. You guys gotta stay in your rooms.
You wanna put that down?
No.
Number 4.
I thought you were ready.
I almost was.
Oh, okay.
Number 4. Plant new flowers or shrubs.
Plant new plants.
Don't forget to add chairs and lighting to complete the scene.
Warm beige, tan, or grayish? What's grayish? Is that your word?
It's a real word. It's like a designery word that means beige and gray.
But warm beige or tan are all good choices. Fresh paint, you're laughing.
Well,
I hate that word.
It's a real word.
I've never heard it in my life.
It's a real word.
All right, fine.